guys, welcome back to the channel Soccer Tells. Hello Lustre fans, I'm going to talk about you right now, about your team. It's a very sad week where Sandesh Jingan have left your club. I am sure that he haven't left your club because of the money. Because if he leave the club because of the money problem, he could have left the club 4 or 5 years ago, but he didn't. So there are some reasons that Sandesh Jingan have left the club, and Sandesh Jingan is the right person to talk about this. So we can only wait for his say regarding this matter. Something wrong going on with Kerala Blaster right now, because TD was all set for Kerala Blaster, and TD already had a pre-contact with the club, but that got cancelled, and right now TD is with ATK Mohun Bagan. So losing a player like TD is really a big deal. So there is something wrong about the club. For Kerala Blasters FC, Viren De Silva have resigned as a CEO from Kerala Blasters, which is not a good sign. Kerala Blasters last year manager Elko Satori have told that there is something wrong with this club, and because there is something wrong in this club had 9 coaches in last 6 seasons. De Silva told to some journalists that is a big loss that Kerala Blaster lost such a fantastic manager like Elko Satori and Sandesh Jingan. I think that losing Sandesh Jingan is really a big loss for Kerala Blaster, but not Elko Satori. I know Elko Satori for a long time. He has been coaching East Bengal and he has been coaching Chirag United. He is not that good coach. I don't like his style of playing. So, to be very frankly, I don't agree with your ex-CEO, but yes, to some part I agree. Losing our Sandesh Jingan is really heartbreaking. Something very big. Sandesh Jingan was a part of Kerala Blasters for a long time. So what Kerala Blaster have decided, Sandesh Jingan has left the club. So they have retired the jersey number what Sandesh Jingan used to wear for the club, and nobody in will wear that jersey number in Kerala Blaster FC. So that's very fantastic. That's such a beautiful gesture. That's why I love you, Kerala Blaster. Mwah. So as you know guys that I stay in Kolkata, so I know a little bit more about your recent coach, that is Kibo Vikona. Kibo Vikona has already praised Sahal that he is such a beautiful talented player, and to be very frankly he will do something good with your club as well. So if things are going against you, this is the bad time going with you people, but believe me, that Graffer will bring some good time for you in real games. So I got a report ki Ogbeje is all set to leave the club, which will be not good for Kerala Blaster FC because Ogbeje is such a player who can convert goals at any time. So I think that Kerala Blaster FC will look after it so that Ogbeje don't leave the club. And Kerala Blaster is linked with lot of foreign players, so I won't put any video regarding it. What are the players they are linked with? Let Kerala Blasters sign those players, and then I will discuss, because there are a lot of players who are linked with Kerala Blasters right now, but I don't believe in giving you fake news. So let's give me some time. Let me get some authentic news, then I will get back to you people. So let's talk about Igor Stimac. Igor Stimac has told that if Indian government change some rules and regulations regarding POI, there are already 7 or 8 players who can represent India, and that will help India to improve the standard of the game, and India may get some good results in near future. So let's talk about Bangalore FC. You both people are rivals, and I know it. Bangalore FC, Miku is still waiting for an offer from Bangalore FC, and he told that if I get an offer from Bangalore FC, that will be the first choice for him in India. So what are you waiting for? Give an offer to Miku because you need a good striker. And last season you are lacking because of a good striker. Sunil Chetri was your only prime striker, and you don't have any other central forward. And having a player like Miku is a treat to the eyes. So Bangalore FC, you should look after this offer. So Miku praised Udanta Singh in his last interview and told that he is such a young talent that he can play in Spanish second division or third division. He can play in top Asian clubs as well. And to be very frankly, I also believe कि Udanta Singh is such a great player, and he is a beautiful player, and I love him. And it was my dream to see Udanta Singh in East Bengal because I am from the heart. I am an East Bengal fan. So it was my dream कि I will see Udanta in East Bengal. And to be very honest, Udanta Singh is such a beautiful player. He was off form last season. That doesn't mind because who knows? Udanta is a classic player, and a player like him is out of form for a year, but he can turn his game anytime he wants. So Udanta Singh, best of luck for this season.